And right now, families across the state are bracing for potential increases to health care costs, and it all has to do with the government shutdown, which is now in its 24th day.
Yeah, your reporter Taylor Knight live in Middletown with the warning from lawmakers.
Well, lawmakers say that if you receive your health insurance through Access Health CT, be prepared for price increases for next year's coverage. Today, members of Connecticut's delegation will be here in Middletown calling attention to the urgent need for Congress to maintain Affordable Care Act credits. This is what the state uses to determine how much people pay for insurance through Access Health CT. Roughly 150,000 people will receive letters in the mail starting tomorrow showing them what they're paying this year and what the estimated increase is for next year. The state says people could be paying several times more per month than they are right now, and that price depends on if Congress fails to maintain Affordable Care Act tax credits. The deadline to enroll in Access Health CT is December 15th, so the governor is suggesting that you wait a month before you enroll so you have a better idea of just how drastic these price increases might be. Your reporter in Middletown, Taylor Knight, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Taylor.